HydroFLOW by Hydropath provides an eco-friendly solution which greatly reduces chemical usage to combat the harmful effects of limescale, bacteria, algae, and biofouling. Based on over 30 years of experience, HydroFLOW's environmentally friendly technology works with a wide range of processed liquid systems. A liquefied solution inside a pipe system may contain minerals such as calcium carbonate, dissolved in the form of ions. When temperature increases or pressure drops, the solution becomes supersaturated, causing the ions to adhere to piping and equipment surfaces in the form of scale. Over time, accumulated scale, along with biofilm consisting of bacteria and algae, blocks the narrow pathways, causing unwanted insulation, reduced heat transfer efficiency, restricted water flow, and higher energy consumption. Eventually, systems need to be opened and cleaned. The process of cleaning the plates requires hazardous chemicals, is time-consuming, and may cause damage to the equipment. The HydroFLOW water treatment unit fits onto your existing pipework and applies an electric signal of 150 kHz throughout the piping system, causing the ions to form clusters. When supersaturation occurs, the clusters precipitate out of the solution and form stable crystals, which do not adhere to piping and equipment. Additionally, the signal agitates the biofilm colonies, causing them to detach and flush out. Bacteria and algae passing through the water conditioner's ring of ferrets are charged by the electrical signal, forming a hydration layer of pure water around each cell. Osmosis then forces water into the bacteria and algae cells, creating osmotic pressure which ruptures the cell membrane and causes it to perish. In addition, the eradication of pathogens is believed to occur due to cell wall degeneration caused by the electrical signal. Proven across more than 50 countries and trusted by leading industries worldwide, HydroFLOW delivers cleaner systems, lower energy costs, and longer equipment life. Choose Hydropath for smarter treatment, simpler maintenance, and stronger results. Hydropath, the future of water treatment.